In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your domain settings in Mailchimp and how to start connecting either an email sending domain or a website domain so your campaigns look professional and deliver correctly. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Using a desktop browser makes this much easier to follow. Before you begin, it's helpful to have access to the email inbox you use for your brand, and if you manage your own DNS, credentials for your domain registrar open in another tab. That way, you're ready for any prompts Mailchimp gives you during verification. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens the main account menu where all your organization level settings live. From this menu, choose Account and Billing. You may see slightly different layouts depending on your account, but Account and Billing is the section that collects ownership, billing, and authentication options in one place. Inside Account and Billing, find and click Domains. This page is the hub for two things: email domains, which affect how your campaigns are authenticated and how your from address appears, and website domains, which connect a custom web address to landing pages or sites you build in Mailchimp. Think of it this way: email domains help your messages get delivered and look trustworthy. Website domains help people reach your pages at a branded URL. You'll land first on the email domains area. This is where you verify the domain you use to send email, like the part after the @ in your address. Verifying here improves deliverability and helps prevent your messages from being flagged. If your team sends from a business address, it's a best practice to verify the domain rather than just a single mailbox. When you're ready to start, click Add and Verify Domain. Mailchimp will prompt you to begin verification. Depending on your setup, this could involve receiving a verification message at an address on that domain or being shown DNS records to add at your registrar so Mailchimp can authenticate your sending. The exact steps are clearly listed on screen, so follow what you see there. A quick tip: if you do add DNS records, copy them exactly as provided and allow some time for changes to propagate. If you're using a company-managed domain, you may want to coordinate with whoever administers your DNS so they can make the changes for you. Next, navigate to the Website Domains tab. This section is for pointing a custom domain to a Mailchimp website or landing page. It's useful when you want visitors to reach your content at your own branded address rather than a generic link. To begin, click Connect a Domain. Mailchimp will walk you through connecting an existing domain you own. You'll typically be given DNS targets to add, like an A record or CNAME, along with simple instructions tailored to common registrars. Again, keep your registrar tab handy so you can reference or update those settings. If you've just purchased a domain elsewhere, make sure it's active before attempting the connection. After you start the connection, remember that DNS updates can take a while to fully resolve. It's normal for verification to take from a few minutes up to a day, depending on your provider. Once you've initiated either verification for email or a connection for your website domain, return to the domains page in Mailchimp to monitor status. You'll see indicators that show whether your domain is pending, verified, or connected. If something doesn't verify right away, double-check that any DNS entries match exactly, including punctuation and host names, and give it a bit more time before retrying. That's the complete path. You went to your Mailchimp account, opened your profile menu, entered account and billing, and used the domains area to either add and verify an email domain or connect a website domain. Follow the on-screen prompts for your specific setup, keep your registrar details nearby, and allow for propagation time. With your domain connected, your brand will look polished, your emails will be authenticated, and your pages will be easy for customers to find.